If you're an entrepreneur, you got your business to a certain point on your own, probably when you were like a 1 or a 2 or a 3-person business. But ultimately, it's the folks who joined your team at employee number 4, 5, 10 to 20 that really helped you get your business to where it is today. I've learned more in those years with a large group of folks than I would have ever learned on my own. We're basically testing that thesis at Courser. Our core values are really, really simple. Teamwork, service, growth-minded, trust, and innovative. I would say if your core values are not in alignment with that, we're probably not a great organization to have a conversation with. Because it is literally what gets us up in the morning. It's how we hold one another accountable, and it's how we hold our team members accountable. And to me, this is a game changer.
We want them to see we are here to help your organization, to help you as an individual. This is about us doing something great together. We want to continue to grow what we think is truly special about this organization to more organizations.
We have had 0 90-day turnover this last year. That to me means that we are hiring the right people. There's no surprises once they join us. So it's been really beautiful to see. I know that sounds like a cheesy word, but it really has been, just to see the communication and to see how people are learning and growing from each other.
Really, it's all about the people. If you care about your people, I am confident that our organization is a great home. What matters are the people that are actually delivering the work to the customer, and that's what customers remember. We want to make sure that we are creating the most opportunity for the right folks on our team. You're only as good as your very last interaction with that customer. And so we have to make sure every interaction is top notch.